They're fine. I'm gonna turn and press Alt C real quick.
I really wish you go walk around and just just walk around.
I want to see bombs drop.
That is very open.
Oh wait, where'd the BF-109s?
Yeah.
No clue.
Yeah, I told you. I think like I'm.
Okar.
Yes, sir.
Dumb.
Look above. Oh, that's awesome.
Whoa.
Oh, bro.
Oh, there's stray bullets coming this way.
Oh, Nuggets ripped, bruh. Well, that's great.
That was great, actually.
Did no one notice the, 10 stray 50s that came this way?
They weren't really... And that's why you don't do that.
What is happening?
BF-109 fucking ripped. That was just really cool until he fucked up.
I'm calling the cops.
Chino, why'd you...
No, I called the cops. I think that's...
I've seen combat displays in air shows before. I don't think the pilots actually die.
Bro, imagine going to a funeral saying he died in a heritage...
In an air show.
Okar.
Yeah.
Dumb.
What? Oh,
DM. DM.
And there's a fight over us. This is very dangerous.
This is... I can't even see what's happening right now. Nuggets is going to hit the crowd. He's burning.
Where?
Oh,
Where?
Lord. Oh, no.
There's no crash.
Oh, no. That's going to be bad.
No.
You better respawn quick, Nuggets. You better respawn quick.
That's pretty close to me.
Jeez.
Wait, let me...
When I confirm that Panic Act was the messiest act I've ever seen. Jesus. Wow.
Oh, look.
Can I get crowd violation for 400?
Oh, not 400. 400,000.
Completely
illegal, bro.
Panta soiling.
Can we consider this a terrorist attack?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a terrorist attack. This is
437 is now a terrorist organization.
all part of Osama's plan. This is legal.
It's
It's on his way to put out the...
one eye for rising the skies and then for the color around.
Go into it, put out the fire.
Instantly, I don't think it's working. Intivat spit at it. What?
Spit on your hand.
What? The fire actually got smaller.
It worked. It worked. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're fucking smart. Yep. All right. Ow, that
Next
actually
up
worked.
is Aviation Con's demo. You have 5 minutes? Okay.
I just realized I've been muted this whole entire time.
Good job, Inzibit.
Bravo.
Bravo. You know what? To be honest, that's the best. That was better than 437 Act. Let's be honest, bro.
This was so bad.
All right, let's be honest. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about our time limit since there's a break after our formation.
I was curious, shooting down the BF.
What happened?
You want more pass? You want to stick to the plan?
Stick to the plan. It's fine. There's a smoking P-51 coming in.
If he fucks up this landing,
no, it's I think he'll do all right.
Oh wait, you're replicating the scene of Red Sails when Ray Gun has a strike.
Yeah, when Ray Gun crashes. Yeah.
Fucking
whoa! When the fuck are the ME-262 performing?
I don't think they are because most of them dropped out.
Coming in, look, Rogue 66 and everything.
Where?
North.
They're still performing, I think.
Wait, what hitting is this?
I really hope they don't hit their brakes too hard. I actually want to see a butter landing. We're gonna get in, Panda.
Right. Ooh,
Gamer.
What did he smack?
Touch Panda.
Oh!
Ooh, almost fucked it up.
He almost
They're
fucked
good.
up.
They got it.
Now he just needs to drift.
Oh!
Oh, there goes. Yeah,
Of course it was Gamer.
No, hey, be nice.
Be nice.
No, be nice.
I'm not wrong.
You're not getting any juice tonight. No juice at dinner.
Mm. Want juice. I want juice. Give me the juice.
Don't bully him. The B-51's brakes are bad, bro.
Yes, but he has a whole runway.
You tap brakes. You don't hold it. You tap it. That's
You have a whole runway to stop. You
Calm
don't need
down. Calm down. Calm down. Shut.
Max, let's gonna roast these people, huh? Boy, if you don't get your ugly ass, boy can't fly a P-51.
I mean, hey, remember, we still have to. Oh, Insafet?
Trying to get it up the runway.
What am I hearing?
30 roll. 30 roll on the start.
Somebody watching pornography.
Just hit someone who's watching pornography.
Can you please mute your mic, sir?
Muted him on my own. Alright.
I think it's part of the act.
Okay, this Phantom's gonna go crazy, bro.
Oh,
No,
look at
rhythm
the
is part of
B-17s coming in. Why are they shooting?
Look at that flare. That was sick. That was sick to cook.
What flare? Where?
Sure.
Up at the top.
Far right.
There's an F3F behind me. Why?
What? Oh, I was like, what?
What the heck?
What the?
Hey, he's
Oh,
performing
this
on the
is, hey, shh. I wanna watch the B-17s.
land like this, Macaw.
Wait. Here comes the pole.
I hear a.
And people are on fire. Their
those
faces
flares.
are burning off. Flares hit somebody.
Serious?
No, don't.
Nice landing, shark.
Top shark.
Very
bro.
nice.
Top shark.
What do you mean we taught
What do you
him?
mean?
Taught him. We taught him.
Panda taught him.
No.
Okay, shut up.
God.
Doom's act starts in 2 minutes. After that, we're going.
Use night vision and I thought it was night vision in F4 as
I
well.
was gonna say, if you
my-
can do that, that is impressive.
Look at
I
this.
cannot knife edge in any supersonic.
Look at that.
It is false.
Okay, this guy's good. Okay. It's hard to do, man. Here's
Yeah,
how.
that is really hard to do.
This is what
Oh,
my act was
his engine's
supposed
just
to be
cut
if
out.
I didn't get canceled.
It's got
Did
canceled.
Rogue even tell you that you got canceled, or?
No, he said go ahead, do your act. Everyone was still flying, and I just crashed because I didn't care.
I'm
Straight to that thing, so I didn't want to cause a speed boost.
Oh,
I
look at the
realized.
F4 going up, dude.
Slow.
Wait, who's
over
the
top.
one next? It's Doom, right?
Yeah. Between. Oh.
really wish I really wish the Phantom's engines were like on point because that.
Oh, he's
that flying
dumping
thing-
flares again. I want to see him spam
jeez.
flares.
First have doing
A
a
lot.
360. He's flaring.
That's really cool. Is that the Enola Gay up there?
Gamer, get behind us. You're not next up. Get away. Leave.
Okay, Max, Jesus, you're aggressive.
No.
Wow.
I will kill you.
Max is a little butthurt because his act got canceled unofficially.
Nuggets and Gamer go to tower frequency. Nuggets and Gamer go to tower frequency.
Him.
Here we go. I think this is gonna be a bad
Come on, I just muted him.
point roll. Okay. That was good.
That was sick.
Oh, you can see the engine, bruh. That's sick.
There are many like me out there with no place to go
Get
to,
prepared for
start,
takeoff.
no hope,
Yes.
No one to look after them.
That is really cool.
But I was not
Astro's
born
doing.
sturdy. Once
Yes,
I
come on.
had a warm bed,
Come on.
the best
Make
dishes.
it look nice.
Can you do the slide? Can you do the slide, or is it gonna be a nose over?
It's a nose over.
Yeah.
We just shitted flares, okay?
What did you know?
Falling.
Anxiously waited for him. We spent all our spare
Full
time.
burner.
We wandered the streets
died.
for
Someone died.
Oh, we just
Come on.
play.
Nice, not, never mind.
And then, well,
Start run.
Nice.
Tell me that I should got the A10 thing out, bro. God
pulling out
damn
my
it.
leash and suddenly I was loose. Whenever I looked, there was strange.
Get the 262 to here. Okay. What?
I don't know, dude.
How come they can't spawn on the airfield like regular people?
Wait, so who's in front of us? Doom, right?
Yeah.
He was gone.
He's not in front right now.
And
Where is Doom's the B29, right?
Yep.
Yes. Doom is 29.
I'm
So
gonna
he
park
must
at a normal spot,
he's gonna
Shark.
take off already.
And
Who's
so
been? Place Sonic the Hedgehog.
No, damn, what the
That's
fuck?
another Xbox player.
did you?
Panda?
Yeah, you were holding brakes trying to balance the entire time.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
You're balancing on my screen.
I like your
Alright.
cut.
I was not holding brake.
I like to
All
cut
right.
you. Boom.
Oh.
I like you cut
I'm going
you.
You say
Bubble boy.
Baba
Bubble
Booey.
boy. Bubble boy.
Bubble boy.
Bubble boy.
Baba boy. Baba boy.
Bubble boy.
Bye.
Bubble boy. Alright, so I'ma just take off and do what like Gamer did. Cause
Just
I... Yeah,
Stop,
pretty much.
champ.
Champ,
Is that a shit?
shut up.
Shit.
Did someone just shit their entire intestines?
The Phantom. Where the fuck did the Phantom go?
Goddamn.
It's gone.
See Incef just following a B-51.
Big Yark.
Look,
E.
and Premium B51.
What? What is this B51 doing?
Hey, sure.
Bye. Alright, what is Doom in that he's doing his act with?
29.
He's gonna be 29 right now.
Where?
East.
East? West?
East. He's West.
I see him. He's yeah. He's over to the left.
low. He just said he said he's gonna land and then he's gonna take off again.
Yay.
It's more time.
So as he takes off and gets ready for his display, we're gonna start up our engines and start rolling to the runway.
Roger.
And the Jets take
Yeah, but they're
Do we contact tower or ground when we're requesting to take off?
Tower.
It's air. It's tower, right? Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Panda.
Oscar, we have an airport behind us.
Stop.
Are we taking off in pairs like how we did?
Most likely.
Clear
It's
comms.
probably gonna be
B17 call sign raid bandit. You are not parked in an approved area. Please start up and contact ground for your new instructions.
Huh?
Okay.
Alright. Hey, Panda.
What?
Am I in the right spot?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna cut engines
Look
off.
how big I am. Fuck.
We have an airport.
That can be taken out of context.
Sus.
I'm at,
Oh my gosh, look how big my toes are. Oh.
Oz.
Oh.
What chat did I just drop back into?
Well,
Look how big my
here's the
toes are.
Shark, why are your
God, I
tail
took
blue?
my egg. Look how big my piece.
I didn't even know I had rhythm muted in the server.
Alright, well, I'm a... Panda, I'm gonna go, call me when it's time.
I thought it was Doomzak. What's going on above us?
He's here. Doom is here.
Here comes their.
But he's landing. I don't know what's going on.
Laps out.
What is going on? There's multiple acts going on at once.
We have an
That's just
chaos.
They're filling time.
What is Gamer? What?
Nuggets and Gamer are in a holding pattern.
Gamer and Nuggets are in a hold. Are you sure about that?
That's not a
But they're
holding
above-
pattern. They just went straight vertical.
Are
Yeah,
they
they're
trying to
filling
do an act
time,
right
like
now?
Panda said. I guess. I don't know. But the B-29 is landing. He's gonna. I think he's just gonna circle around on the taxiway and come take off, which is gonna take forever because he's a
Yeah,
B-29.
he has 5 more minutes for his act, so
Yeah, who is
For his act to go up, or for his act
Also, Rogue,
To
can we
end.
explain why it kind of just got canceled? Just curious.
What got canceled?
His
My act.
Jaguar act.
You blue balled him, man.
I didn't cancel anything. Did you not do it?
No, he got skipped.
Yeah, I got essentially booted out the air by somebody.
I do not know why. I'm sorry.
What?
Alright.
What's champ?
I was flying in from France while you were doing your thing, so I don't know what happened. Sorry.
Bumblebee.
Oscar, who is this?
Ba-da-ba-boo-ba.
Who is this?
Dude, what we need in WarThunder right now is a Thunder Chief. That'd be freaking dope.
Facts.
Freedom is what we need.
By the way,
It would fit so
Griffin
well into the
Squadron,
meta.
you guys are up in 4 minutes.
All
right.
Short. Well, actually,
Might as
you should
might as well
probably-
start up our engines.
Probably go over to
Alright,
tower
engine
and head over to the
start
runway.
up
Hold on.
now, one by one.
Contact the ground frequency before you do that. Yeah.
Go ahead and start up your engines.
Is it just me? Does A4 from the top look like a fish?
What?
Be high.
What? What kind of fish have you been looking at, Panda?
The plane that smiles back. A4s.
So how it's gonna work is that all the props are gonna take off at once. Chino, you're just gonna slide back and be the tail once the jets get there. Okay.
Alright, hey, can
I'm
we
gonna
roll the
do a
stick real
dirty
quick?
roll
gonna
because I'm
quick.
cool.
All right. I'm gonna contact
When I
tower.
think fish, I think like.
Actually, wait, do I contact
flying
tower or
fish.
ground to hold short of the runway?
Ground.
Alright, my
I think
controls
about,
are set.
sailfish, I don't
Hey,
know.
check your smoke.
Insef, can you be the follow me car?
Yes.
You know, set your smoke to blue or whatever side you're gonna be on.
I'm going to the line. I should be white.
Okay, white guy.
Alright, Nate, follow him out.
Well, wait, I'm confused because isn't the B-29 coming up, right?
Okay, Insef, hold.
The B-29's act is right now. I don't know what he's doing. He has 2
He's
minutes left.
He's taxiing. Give him a
He wanted
second.
to land and take off. He wanted to take off.
Alright,
I guess
he's
his
done.
entire
He's on
act
the
is going to be him taxiing.
I really see two blue angels up in the air.
This
Alright.
B-51's gonna
I
get
think
run
it's
over
gonna
by
be
a
Astro sets
B-29.
down. The other 2 space cadets are gonna stay up there, I assume, along Quake.
Hey, Chino,
And-
can we be the car that we follow like in race?
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, he's the follow me car.
I'm not gonna be able to see him.
Tank got off
But
the
you know what? Go
taxiway.
That's what it's called, the follow me car. At
Follow
airports.
me car.
That's a B-29.
And that's Astro.
Can he butter the
Astro
fence
gonna have
rim,
a
though?
stick landing. Butter.
That's a high angle of attack.
That was
Supposed
alright.
to land the Phantom.
Yeah.
I haven't flown the Phantom in game or in real life, so I don't
We're
know.
about to get wing struck, but okay.
Anytime you land a jet, really, you want to be above. Like you want to have the nose pointed up, unless
This guy
it
killed so much
specifically said not
Nazis.
to.
Hey,
Oh, that
Mags.
was close.
Mags, make sure your smoke
Okay.
is set to
The props
center
were missed.
white and Chino as well.
It's a big ass wing, nigga. Goddamn.
He's gonna miss me.
Chino, Mags, you heard me?
No.
Center white. Set your smokes to center white.
Said already.
All?
Check again. Yeah, it's
No,
right.
Exo and Champ, your smokes should be fine. Exo, you should have the red, and then I should have the blue.
Okay, gamers.
All
are
right,
gonna
act is 1 minute. We got a taxi, boys.
Well, the B-29's taking off still,
Yeah.
so.
I think we
So
have
how
to
we're gonna
next
change it up
one.
now, since Chino isn't an escort, is that we're gonna do the break, but Chino's
Oscar,
gonna go
how it should
first.
be. Got it. We
Huh?
fly
What's gonna-
diamond with a tail. You fly center, I fly
No,
trail.
no, but I mean the break.
Okay.
So it would be Chino goes up first, and then you go up next, and then Champ. Or Champ can just continue straight. I don't know.
I think it'd be the normal break, but we go 45 instead of 90, so it looks like spread.
Yeah. That's
The
what I was
sides do that.
No, the centers would go 45 and the sides go 90.
Yeah, they'll change their approach to 45 degrees by 45 degrees. They're
Alright.
flying over the fucking airfield. This is not how it's supposed to go. This is not.
All right, so everyone's got it right. Chino and Mags, you got the adjustments and everything.
Yes,
Mhm.
All right.
I'm gonna go and tell them that it's not their act right now. I don't know what they're doing.
yeah, they're flying so close for a pattern like that. They're treating this shit like it's FSX, my guy.
Not even. They're treating it like it's freaking arcade.
You're gonna get taxi? Taxi time?
Just letting you know. I do enjoy.
Rip. Rip
Who is
talking.
taking off?
Sundown
What?
is taking off. What?
Taking
That
off.
is not the right side of the runway.
No, yeah.
Sundown taking off. Who's Sundown?
What is? The F-86s are taking off the wrong way.
Oh my god.
And
I'm
it's
scared.
not even their act. What?
What the hell? Who are these guys?
I don't know. As
It's
far as I know,
Sundown's
UWT
group, I guess.
spectators.
God, you guys keep messing up your time by an hour. I've told you, you go in an hour.
Shoot them down, question mark?
No.
Are they even in the voice chat?
It's if it wants
No.
to shoot somebody down so bad.
As far as I know, they aren't. Because they don't speak.
He's the fire extinguisher, or the fire truck, the follow me car, and fucking air defense people, bro. Get out of here.
Dude, I want to get in my 163.
Old road truck.
Guys, do you not understand me saying your act is in an hour?
I don't think they're in here.
I really would just boot them because they're not listening. And Gamer and
because
Yeah.
like I've
What?
lost too many acts already.
So there's two F-86s doing an act.
And they're
There's
just running
Rangers
a display.
doing an act, and then the B.
Nuggets
the
and Gamer
poor
are doing their
B-29. No.
what
the
is
poor
ATC
B-29
doing?
The poor B-29 is trying to take off, and he's like, "Oh, there's so many people."
What are doing? What? What? Just landing with smokes on.
Forget
What the
it.
fuck?
Forget it. Forget it. Forget it.
It is not how they land.
Shut up. Shut up, please. It's just WarThunder.
I'm about to start shooting
It's Blue
someone.
Angels, man. You don't fuck up Blue Angels.
Shut up. We haven't done a perfect. Griffin Squadron is the current act. Anyone else in the air besides ATC or? the
Oh my
aircraft
god,
landers?
Nuggets.
Yeah. Okay, so B-29's not going now. Okay. Champ, start taxiing.
All right, follow me. Go.
Boom! You've been over for.
Doom.